Are you looking for the best outline trimmers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best outline trimmers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Andis 0470T Outliner Trimmer. The Andis 0470T Outliner is popular among men and women. It has a close cutting blade. It is a high-performance trimmer ideal for design work and fades. Well, it is able to deliver exceptional performance because of fine cutting teeth that allow for extremely close cutting. Another feature that makes this T-outliner a worthy investment is the contoured housing that fits comfortably in the hand, so you can use the trimmer for a long time without straining. Furthermore, this trimmer comes with an 8-foot heavy-duty cord that gives plenty of room to work in. Plus it has a powerful magnetic motor that runs at a high speed, so you can finish tasks in a timely manner and in a proper way. The gray finish gives this model a modern look that you will definitely love. At number 4, Wahl 9818 Stainless Steel Groomer. Wahl 9818 Hair Groomer is equipped with patented technology that greatly improves its overall performance. The technology enables it to provide great cuts to all hair types and lengths. The hair trimmer also comes with 4 multi-purpose attachments that are ideal for all facial hair types. These attachments include T-blade, detail trimmer, rotary personal trimmer, and detail shaver. They help make the trimmer suitable for goatees, sideburns, mustaches, ear, nose, stubble, and even body hair. The trimmer is rechargeable, and this means you can use it anywhere, including when traveling. It is important to note that this trimmer is for dry use only. At number 3, Hadiker 5-in-1 Men's Hair Clipper Beard Trimmer Grooming Kit. What makes the Hadiker 5-in-1 Grooming Kit the real deal is that it includes one of the cheapest hair trimmers that deliver seriously good results every time. As if that's not enough, this kit comes with multiple accessories for maximum convenience. There are 12 attachments to make sure you have everything you need. Well, these attachments include a full-size steel trimmer, an adjustable comb, the 16th or the 14th of December 10, 8, 6/4, 2/1 mm, an extra-wide hair trimmer, 4 hair trimmer combs, the 6th of September 12, 3 mm, a steel precision trimmer, an adjustable beard comb, 6/5, 4/3 mm, a body trimmer, and a nose and ear hair trimmer. At number 2, YOGINGO Hair Clippers Electric Pro Lee Outliner. YOGINGO Electric Hair Clippers Outliner is equipped with a stainless steel blade that offers ultimate and safe haircutting experience. The blade is so sharp it cuts even the thickest hair without pulling or hurting the skin. What's more, this outliner has a unique cordless design for unrivaled convenience. The outliner also features a bronze finish that makes it look sleek and not out of place in your barbershop. Besides, this hair clipper is built with versatility in mind, in the sense that it is suitable for facial skin, ear hair, nose hair, underarms, legs, and hands. At number 1, VGR Professional Cordless Outliner Trimmer for Men, Kids and Baby. VGR Cordless Outliner is a versatile unit that is suitable for mustache, oil head, stubble, goatee, sideburn, body hair, and more. This makes it a nice purchase both for barbershops and home use. Moreover, this outliner comes with a sharp and durable steel blade that makes it easy to get excellent haircuts. The trimmer also features a waterproof blade that can be rinsed under a faucet after use. Needless to say, it is extremely easy to care for. When in use, the hair clipper produces less than 60 decibels, which is great because this ensures peaceful trimming. The 1-year warranty shows that this unit is quality and the manufacturer believes in it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.